Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by clicking. This is a free website and it is available in all countries. You can start producing money right now with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure not to miss any part of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Now, I'd like you to go to enrollapp.com, where you'll know that we're working to make the internet a better place once you get to the main page. It's a completely legitimate business that's gaining a lot of attention and popularity in the sector. It allows us to work from the comfort of our own homes and make money. It is not necessary to have any prior experience or technical skills. Pay attention now as I walk you through the steps to start making money online right now. Look to the right of the Enroll app homepage for the green sign button. Click it and you'll be directed to a box where you can enter your email address and password. Isn't it straightforward? It's a simple process, but if you're signing up for a free account for the first time, make sure you check your email. Once you've logged in, you'll need to verify your account by clicking the verification link sent to the email address you provided. And you'll be able to see mission progress data on your Enroll app dashboard, which keeps track of your progress as you accomplish tasks. There is a cal icon on the progress meter that starts on the left and moves to the right. The little cal will keep track of every step forward you take by completing tasks and objectives. But the best part is collecting extra cash rewards and bonus money, which is why I highly recommend it to novices and newbies. And there are no investments required, as I previously indicated. I'm about to show you something that will enable you to double, if not triple, your money. What is it exactly? It's a little known tactic I came up while working on this website. So keep a close eye on everything and concentrate to avoid missing anything. The first thing you'll notice on your Enroll app dashboard is that you may scroll down to check the polls and how many you've answered. The phrase poll refers to a question that you must answer before seeing statistics, surveys, or polls that you show how many people answered yes or no. This question does not require a response. You've just finished another poll question, and you'll know that between 11 and 12 polls have been answered, for example. Any further questions you answer will be added to the polls you've already completed. If you want to make money online, you must answer every poll. Furthermore, the more surveys you complete, the more points you earn. As a result, your mini cow icon will be able to complete the advancement assignments and earn extra bonus money. This website will do a better job of matching you to projects that are relevant to your demographics and interests. If you answer more surveys, you'll be able to get more chores and earn more money. You can ask the same question over and over by pressing the button just between a yes or no and continue. In real time, you'll be able to see how many surveys you've completed. This procedure can be repeated as many times as you want because there is no limit. You can actually see the polls to which you've responded. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money making strategies online. Remember that the more questions or polls you answer, the more money you can earn. And you can do this on your phone if you don't have access to a computer, and it works worldwide. It doesn't matter if you're in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, the Philippines, Europe, or anywhere else on the globe. If you take advantage of this opportunity, you can start making money right away. Let us now move on to the following topic. Go to your dashboard and click Accomplishments at the top to see how far you've come. You can view how many badges you have and how many points you have by going to your profile page. It also shows the nature of your mission. If your first mission is Earth, for example, all you need to do now is follow the instructions for taking tests, answering poll questions, and remaining active. It means you must log into your account every day to get bonus points and money. It must be done for 30 days in a succession, taking only 5 minutes each time. Simply answer a poll question and, as previously said, you've finished your first assignment, with the cow icon signifying your progress. It will move to the right as it nears the finish line. Furthermore, the more badges you gain, the more points and more money you can earn on this site. There's one more thing that needs to be set up. To make 3 times as much money, go to your account and pick text preferences from the down arrow beside the profile symbol. When you go to the text preferences page, it will tell you that all of your profile settings need to be updated, as well as a reminder that your responses to these questions will be kept private, so don't worry. Next, select all 3 devices from the devices I can test on list below. You have the option of using a mobile, tablet, or desktop device. If you're wondering why, you should choose all 3. It's because the more gadgets you choose, the more exams and surveys you can complete, and the more money you can make. It will inquire as to when the best time is for you to take the test in order to determine your availability. So I'd like you to choose the first choice, which is to send me texts as soon as possible so that they can add additional jobs to your account and send you more task notifications. If you have more opportunities, you can make more money. It's also important to check the box below about receiving an email when you qualify for the test, and validating your phone number so that they can send you a SMS notification instead of an email whenever the tests are available and you're qualified to take them. Remember that if you use all of the options, you will be able to earn more money on our website. You can then return to answering complete questions. Simply repeat the process, and I am confident that you will realize how simple it is to make money online with our service. It's only a matter of pressing keys, and I believe anyone can do it. All you have to do now is focus on your progress by accomplishing all of your objectives, earning more points and badges, and watching your progress climb from 0 to 100, earning your bonus money. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online by clicking. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next one.